Hello everyone! Welcome to Mother Nature's Masterpieces, where we use nature to create unique art projects. My name's Kim. I'm a naturalist with Calvert County Natural Resources, and today's forecast is rain. But just because it's raining doesn't mean we can't use nature to create art. In fact, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to allow nature to be the artist. So we're going to help it out a little bit by taking some food coloring and laying it down on our paper, and then we're going to leave it out in the rain and see what happens. Okay, so I've got Leah and Alex, and they're going to help me out here with our art project. Leah and Alex are going to be using gel food coloring. So theirs comes in these tubes that look like this. I'm going to be using liquid food coloring, which comes in a container either like these little guys or this bigger one. And we're just going to go ahead and do whatever design we want on our paper. We're actually using poster board just because it's nice and thick and it has a shiny side on the back that will hopefully keep our paper more protected since it's going to be sitting out in the rain. You could use heavy cardstock also, but I would not just use regular computer paper. It's just going to fall apart once you get it in the rain. So you guys can go ahead and do whatever design you want. We're all done with our designs, so we're going to go ahead and put it outside, let it sit in the rain, splash around our colors a little bit, see what happens. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, and after letting these dry overnight, mine is completely dry. And it turned out really interesting. I like all these white spaces. Looks really neat. And the ones that used the gel, the food coloring gel, do still have some spots that are a little bit sticky. Not really like a puddle, but just a little sticky. So I would definitely recommend, if you're going to use the gels, to just keep your spots of dye small as you can, because these big globs are going to be really hard to get dry. But otherwise, the design on this one looks really awesome. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope that on the next rainy day, you'll think to try out this project yourself.